Try not to laugh with 10 lives. You'll take on me. Please stop. No. Hey, no. I'll tickle you. Okay.
What don't I understand about that? Cheeseburgers. I like your cheese more. Oh, come on, man.
9 lives.
I'm going to move on the ground.
Okay.
Wait, what? No, that's not my hip-hop Bobby. That was good. That's not my movie. That was one movie you did. I didn't do it. What are you talking about? I never did that.
You didn't do Oompa.
That almost happened to me in school.
This is not fun. I almost laughed. I almost laughed.
I want that to be an actual Superman.
I'm on 9. I'm on 9 lives. Wait, wait.
No, on 8 lives.
Okay, it just reminded me of that one video where they're doing like a kickboxing machine, and he kicks, and then he just goes flying in an arcade.
That reminds me of that one time when someone was standing on the bus. He can't hold on to a thing and he ends up tripping when the bus stops, ends up flying from the top seat directly down to the front and lands on his face.
Oh my god.
Also reminds me of the time I fell down on Wednesday. Instead of stairs, hit my head on the corner of the stairs, fell down half a flight of stairs and then landed on my head.
Bruh. Okay.
I fell off it.
No! 7 lives!
He accidentally beated it.
Keep DJs today. Wait. What's the fish? That doobie.
It do be grooving.
Good, that's why I'm looking at it like that.
But Dad, then how to be your age?
You'll learn that when you get older. You don't know what you're talking about. Plus, I'm looking at her right there, and I know little girls.
Miss Penny? Dad, she weigh like 400 pounds. How's she in a wheelchair?
I'm not talking about Miss Penny. Her right there.
Oh, Miss Johnson. I heard she used to be a man.
Bruh. Why would you do that? Bruh. Is this like a? Is this in like Is this in like American football basketball?
No, it's just like footage of my sports falling out, jeez.
Bruh. What?
Are we gonna get up?
Monkey. Wait, how many lives am I on?
No, I think maybe 7.
6. Wait, 7. Hey! The monkeys are becoming samurai monkeys.
Why won't you please Star Defense 6?
Chihuahua!
Good cat.
We have confirmed cats can beat up chihuahuas.
Strong cat.
Yes.
I'm beyond curious.
He's
Yeah,
sleeping
me
though.
on long drives when there's lots of traffic.
Okay, that. Good job. Yeah. I'm happy.
It'd be more fun if we did that and it ran into a wall.
Oh, it's a cat. Cat.
Pet go meow.
Cat.
Yeah.
Father, am I ugly? Very much.
I think I've seen that clip before. No, I've seen that clip before, so I didn't laugh.
Cats meow just to get humans' attention. They don't use it
Human.
to communicate with other animals.
The cat is like, human, I want food. My food bowl's empty. Okay. What? Oh, he's running. Bruh. Oh, what?
Is he asleep?
What you doing? Why do you look like that?
Is this like the watermelon trying to like just like keep on
Oh.
melting plastic
Oh.
back until they explode?
Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what's that?
It's a seal.
But why is it so big? I thought the seal would go like...
Are you body shaming the seal?
No. That was enough. No. 6 lives. Wait. The thing is, that's like, if, wait. Okay. Let's just keep on going.
Oh, that's one use for them.
No.
Yes, it is.
I'm trying to work right now. You over there calling for it. You say hi. I'm holding up traffic if you got cars behind me. Did you record that?
Yes.
Brother, do we have time to talk about Jesus Christ today? Oh, you're dead? Oh, okay. Well, you have yourself a great day. Okay, you too. You must. I don't dare walk to the bottom of this parking lot, but we got gut reaction from one driver who had his car stuck in this. We really feel for him this morning.
Is this a news report? Why?
Sometimes my genius. It's almost frightening.
Okay. What's so bad about that?
Parking brake. It didn't have one, so he made a parking
Oh wait, I've
brake.
seen this show before.
Some genius. It's almost frightening.
I've seen this show before.
It's Top Gear. It ended up breaking his...
Yeah, I've seen it. I think I think they like made a bridge. With like a truck that fell into like a hole. Someone else's truck, and that there was one of those. They made a bridge for the other cars to go onto, and the bridge the bridge was okay. but it almost broke and broke the car. Avoid. No.
It's true though.
5 lives. How much lives do you have?
10.
Why are you not laughing? Why is he so aggressive though? Subscribe to Troy Jam.